Blaze and the floating fireboat. It was a bright and sunny morning at the fire station. Blaze, the bright red fire engine, was getting an extra special wash. Soap bubbles tickled his fenders, and his chrome bell gleamed. He was humming with excitement. Today, he was visiting the city harbor. When Blaze arrived at the harbor, his eyes went wide. Giant cranes stretched to the sky, and huge ships rested in the water. Then he saw it. A sturdy, bright yellow boat with powerful water cannons on its deck. "Wow!" Blaze whispered. A friendly, booming voice echoed over the water. "Welcome to the docks. I'm Splash." The yellow boat bobbed happily, sending small waves towards the dock. "You must be Blaze. I've heard all about you." Blaze was about to toot a happy hello when a loud siren blared across the harbor. "WOOO, emergency call," Splash announced, his friendly smile turning serious. "There's a fire on a small boat out by the old lighthouse." "Oh, barnacles," boomed Splash, looking worried. "The boat is in the shallow water near the rocks. My big hull can't get close enough to help." Blaze's engine revved with an idea. "Splash, what if I could get closer?" he tooted. "My hose is very long. Maybe that big flat barge could give me a ride?" It was a brilliant plan. A giant crane carefully hooked onto Blaze, lifted him high into the air, and placed him gently onto the barge. "Time for your first boat ride," called the crane operator. With a powerful push, Splash guided the barge across the water. "Hold on, Blaze," he called over the waves. "We're on our way." Together, the new partners raced towards the rising smoke. They reached the small boat just in time. Blaze took careful aim with his water hose. Swoosh! A perfect stream of water shot out and put out the flames with a big, satisfying PSSSSSSH. Back at the dock, everyone cheered for the heroes of the harbor. "We make a great team, partner," Splash boomed happily. Blaze rang his chrome bell with joy. From that day on, he had a new motto for when he was at the docks. "When there's trouble on the bay, Blaze and Splash will save the day."